There we go. You can feel, yeah, just a little bit of that cooler air coming in from that ice. Hi, I'm Brad Carl, certified meteorologist at Fox 23 News, and I'm joined here by Dwight Eskew from AAON, and you guys build, of course, air conditioning units and whatnot. We're going to build a little mini one here,
yes,
right?
That is correct.
So kind of take me through what all we're going to be putting together here.
Well, basically we're going to use the fan that we have to bring air into our container. It's a small plastic container, and when the air comes into the container, what we're going to do is we're going to use ice to cool that air.
Okay.
And then we're going to provide an outlet for that air with a vent here. So we're basically building the air conditioner where we're allowing air to come in from the atmosphere, cooling that air, and then allowing it to come out.
Gotcha. So it kind of works like a regular air conditioner,
Yes,
but just kind of a simpler model of that, right?
Yes, for kids and anyone
Sure.
else who wants to play with it.
So let's build one of these and just kind of see how this all works.
So I'm going to place some glue here on the lid. You want to make sure that you don't cover up your holes, your pre-drilled holes, because that's going to allow the air to enter into the container.
Otherwise, it would run out of air pretty quickly.
Yes, yes. So place our battery here.
You can see how hot that is there.
Yes.
It burns. Hopefully, it doesn't get on your skin too much.
We're going to put the glue here for our switch.
There you go.
Put our switch here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to install the fan blade. So we're just going to connect it to the motor using some of our glue.
There you go. And so it's like what you'd have like a normal air conditioning unit where you'd have a fan blade blowing that over the coils, I guess, in case of a real AC unit.
Yes. Let's give that glue a second to dry.
And make sure it sets in place.
Yes.
It's pretty much the whole top of the unit, everything all kind of coming together in one little piece.
So let's go ahead.
Complete the circuit. There you go.
Let's see.
Test it out, make sure it wants to turn on.
So let's push it.
There we go. As long as it's at the right angle, doesn't hit the top.
Yeah.
There it goes.
And there you have it.
It's a very simple little motor.
Right. Let's turn it off. Let's install our vent. This kit doesn't have one, but I'll grab one out of another kit
Okay.
here. So just
There we go.
here.
And this is just to make it efficient and make sure you're not having any air leak out that's not supposed
Yes. Here.
And as you were mentioning, I mean, that's where a lot of the innovation has been with air conditioning units, just to make things much more efficient, right?
Yes.
That's still the challenge going forward.
Yes. And it's an ongoing challenge.
So for students and kids who are getting involved with this and say maybe end up working for AAON in the future, we'll continue to be kind of working on efficiency and making things as environmentally friendly and just as green friendly as possible.
Yes.
We're adding our ice now. That's getting our cooler air.
And there you have it.
There we go. There we go. You can feel, yeah, just a little bit of that cooler air coming in from that ice, which in a real AC unit would be all about the coils and so making things cool, right?
Yes.
There you have it. There's our own little mini air conditioner right here. Sure, stick around. We've got more STEM videos coming on up.